Hello Hungry Fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to the second episode of Homemade Cheap vs Expensive series. Today I'm going to make everyone's favorite Maggi and I'm going to compare if I like the cheap, that is rupees 30 Maggi, or expensive, that is rupees 300 Maggi. Before starting the video, like, share, please subscribe. तुम लोग subscribe नहीं करते हो यार, it is absolutely free, so please subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook @HungerPlans. Also, if you haven't noticed yet, I am in my new studio and we have started posting 3 times a week, that is Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. So click on the bell icon and get all the post notifications. One more thing before starting, we have finally decided to start a new channel for YouTube Shorts and you are going to play a major role in that because I want you to comment below what should we name the channel. Shorts ka channel hai, so keep it short and creative. Now let's finally move on to making our rupees 30 Maggi. It takes hardly 10 minutes and it's one of my go-to Maggi recipe. These are the ingredients we will need. First, in the pan, add 210 ml of water which is mentioned on the pack. Then add 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon green chili, 1/4 cup of onion and mix. Then add 1 sachet of Maggi masala and let it boil. Then add 1/4 cup of boiled green peas and 1 packet of Maggi. Let it cook till all the water is absorbed, which will take hardly 5 minutes. Transfer into a plate. Garnish with coriander, and now my favorite ingredient, jisko I cannot skip, and this is the reason why the budget came down to rupees 30, which is cheese slice. Within 2 minutes only the cheese melts beautifully. It looks very simple yet so delicious. It smells amazing. Before moving on, I want to talk about one of my personal favorite fantasy gaming app, which is Player Spot. Here you can win up to rupees 50 lakhs daily. Here you will find 15 plus games like Fruit Slice, Snakes and Ladder, Rummy, Chess and so many more. Plus you can play your childhood favorite game Ludo and win lakhs of rupees. Just click on the link in the description box and join the Ludo game where you can do live chats, play with your friends on private Ludo pod. Player Spot has many benefits. It is 100% secure, it's made in India, it has 7 million plus users, the withdrawal is pretty easy. Also you can use my referral code PLACE200 and get sign up bonus worth rupees 200. Invite your friends by the refer and earn program and get 2% of your winning by playing their games. Definitely download the app from the description link. Now let's move on to making our expensive Maggi, and these are the ingredients we will need. First, in the bowl, add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix and add half cup of cube cut paneer. I'm using grass fed paneer to increase the value, but you can use the normal paneer as well. Now I'm going to chop some veggies which I think will increase the value. First I'm chopping the red bell pepper and then cut it into 3 parts. In the same way I'm cutting yellow bell pepper. Then cut baby corn in diagonal direction. For the zucchini, cut into quarter and remove the center part. It's usually bitter, so avoid consuming it. Then cut the zucchini as well as the squash in slant direction. For mushroom, just cut into slices. Now let's fry the paneer cubes in canola oil. You can skip the paneer marination and frying process. I think paneer ko direct add kiya to it is very bland. So I like to give it a nice flavor as well as a texture. Now add 3 packs of Maggi in boiling water and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 sachet of Maggi masala for extra flavor. Mix and let it cook again for a minute or 2. Drain off the excess water and keep the Maggi aside. Now in a big pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 teaspoon canola oil, 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon green chili. Saute for a minute. Add 1/4 cup of sliced onion, 2 tablespoons each of capsicum, yellow and red bell pepper. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add squash, that is yellow zucchini and green zucchini. Add 1/4 cup of broccoli. Mix and add half teaspoon of salt. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1/4 cup of mushrooms. Saute again and add 1/4 cup of baby corn. Then I'm adding 1 sachet of the special spicy Maggi masala and 2 sachets of the normal Maggi masala. Mix it. Add 1/4 cup of tomato puree and 1/4 cup of mayo. Mix it. Then I'm grating 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese, 1 tablespoon parmesan cheese, 2 slices of cheddar cheese, and mix till the cheese melts completely. Then add the fried paneer cubes. Finally, add the cooked Maggi and mix it all together. Smells so good. Let's serve it. I'm adding few olives for garnish. Top it up with more cheddar cheese. And now the main ingredient of expensive Maggi, that is gold leaf. Damn, it was so hard to find this gold leaf. Advait ने इतना जुगाड़ करके arrange कराया है कहीं से. Also, Advait calls this expensive Maggi as NRI Maggi क्योंकि Indian flavors और exotic flavors का perfect combination है. But honestly, it looks so good. The gold leaf has legit elevated our Maggi. And the bowl is super heavy, so let's dig into this goodness. I'm done with making both our Maggies. First, let's taste the cheap, that is rupees 30 Maggi. The taste is really amazing. It's very familiar to me. मैं बचपन से यही खाती आ रही हूँ क्योंकि it takes hardly 5 to 10 minutes. सब ऐसे बॉईल कर दो और हो गया, 2-3 मिनट में पक जाता है. बट आई यूजुअली ऐड कैप्सिकम इसमें, वो मेरे बजट में बैठ नहीं रहा था. बट ठीक है, मटर इज विंटर सीजन का एकदम मेन इंग्रेडिएंट, सो इट्स एडिंग टू अ नाइस स्वीटनेस. और बाकी अनियन का क्रंच है. इट्स वेरी चीजी एंड येस वेरी डिलिशियस. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू आवर एक्सपेंसिव, दैट इज रुपीज 300 मैगी. Wow, that was a surprise. सच बोलूँ तो आई एम नॉट अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ सो मैनी वेजिटेबल्स. मेरे को लगा था आई वोंट लाइक दिस एट ऑल बिकॉज मैं थोड़ा बेसिक टाइप की, आई लाइक रियली बेसिक थिंग्स. बट दिस इज सो गुड. इट इज़ वेरी मखनी, मतलब इट्स वेरी बटरी, इट्स वेरी चीज़ी एंड टोमेटो का मस्त खट्टा खट्टा टेस्ट आ रहा है. आई डोंट इवन फील लाइक इट्स मैगी, इट्स समथिंग वेरी एक्सॉटिक. मतलब all the veggies, they are so crunchy, they have a different flavor, like सब कुछ ना कुछ add कर रहे हैं. And the gold, yes, the gold, it has no flavor, but एक हल्का से after taste is थोड़ा metallic. I don't know what exactly the taste is, but it's really nice. In this we use this special masala spicy Maggi, and जब मैंने इसका मसाला पाउडर add किया ना in the veggies, it was smelling like sambar. So I was really skeptical that the flavors are going to go or not, but surprisingly, yet again, they were going so well. So this fusion was really tasty. For a change, I really like the expensive Maggi a lot. And मैंने जैसे बोला सब कुछ बहुत अलग अलग flavors add कर रहा है. But my favorite is the mayo. I do not like mayo also as an ingredient, but इसमें it's adding to a nice creaminess. And yes, loved it. I'm surprised abhi tak. So in today's challenge of cheap versus expensive, I like the expensive one. You let me know which you think was better. Try these delicious recipes and let us know your feedback. Also let us know what do you think about the studio setup and what do you think about today's video. The shoutouts goes to Samaira Sethi, Fashion Queen, Pragatya Goswami, Priya Vash and Varun Vijay. If you want to shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Great Hunger Plans. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.